Hello everyone. I hope you can hear me. I turned down the volume because it's really loud. Well, anyway, we are going to be playing Hello Neighbor. As you can see, tap to continue. I have never played this game before. My cat, hello cat, hello Splinter, hi. But yeah, so let's do it. I have so many new games. Yes I do. Okay. My cat is rubbing up my foot. So cute. He's so cute. Oh, buddy. Okay. Well, let's do this. When will it load? When will it load? Okay. No, but okay. I am ready for it. I am ready. So whenever it wants. Okay, finally. Simming. I'm assuming it's saying missing, but you can always have to move your character. Okay. Crouch. Okay. Jump. Okay. Okay, where's my home? I want to see where my house is. Simming. I want to read this. Oh, that's not good. Where the heck's my home? I need it. I think this is my home. Is this my home? Or is that not my home? Oh, that's my home. Or is that not my home? Or am I oh, I'm like a teenager.
Huh?
I'm like a teenager. What do I think about that house? It looks normal to me. Wait. That dude's shoveling inside his house. Okay, no, never mind. I know that's Hello Neighbor, and I know that's our neighbor, but I don't think this is very nice. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. Place it down. Okay. Wow, I'm flying. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna. Can I go inside? Peep. I want to peep in the door. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. I like my house better than his house, probably. My house is nice. What's in here? Ooh, I like this. I need to grab things to throw at him so I can, you know what I mean. I can use a book. Wait, I need a chair. I should use a chair because you can block doors. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Something just happened. Is he okay?
It seems to be okay.
Okay, I will. Okay. Sorry about that. I need this chair. How am I supposed to grab things? Because you're usually allowed to grab. And also, how am I this small? This chair is huge. I'm like for like a 5-year-old. How do I have my own house? I don't think this is a good thing. Okay. Can I grab anything? I don't think I can grab anything. Oh, yes. I can grab this. You can grab this chair? No, I can't. I need to grab a a chair. Oh,
Рыбностную
make
сафару,
me
дорогие
make it a
друзья.
banana peel.
Мы все
Maybe that'll work. No, I don't need that. I need this. It won't let me take it. Oh, dang it. Well, I need something to throw at his window. It won't let me pick up anything. How do I pick up things? Get out. Shoot. Yes, I got a cut. Okay, I think I'm kind of worried, to be honest. Oh, jeez, he just spider jumped. Like, whoa, oh, jeez. Okay, he left the door open. I'm scared. What? Oh gosh, it just lagged. Okay, is there any? I think. Okay, I've played a lot of these games. So I'm gonna crouch for games. Oh, I haven't played any of these games, but I've seen other people play them. And we're very worried about this. I'm sorry if you just want to see a young child being worried about a game. I don't know if this was on your to-do list or not. But I can't pick up... Oh, yes. I got a box. Yes, I got a box. I like that accent. I have no clue where the neighbor is, but I'm just too scared to move. Sorry, I'm a wimp. And I can take my chance. I'm not gonna take my chances. I'm scared. Okay. Yeah, jeez. Okay. I said, oh, jeez. Oh, shouldn't have done that. I need this. You know what? I'm just gonna make a run for it. I'm making a run for it. I feel safe in here. Yay! Okay. Now I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna throw this out my window. Oh. Yes. I'm just literally not even caring about it. I don't even know anymore. Yes, I can get in here. Okay, get in. I want to close it now. I want to like close myself in there. No, that's like Granny. I'm not playing Granny. I'm actually really... Ava G, she beat Granny. I can't even get one of the locks done. How did you do it? Okay. I watched her video on it and I'm like, how do you do that? Because I've played the game many times and I'm always too scared to do anything. But I still play it. Oh my gosh, it's the Wii, it's Wii. It's like, where am I? Wait, I want to see what I look like again. What do I look like? Okay, resume. I think I'm either that one or that one. Or that one. I'm not an adult. I'm one of the kids. I don't, wait, no, that isn't, that one, I don't think that's a kid. That's a baby. With a mohawk. What's this? I think that's, is that an air conditioning? Okay. I want this. I want a chair. Dang it. It won't let me get a chair. I'm a little frustrated that it won't let me get a chair. I want to go exploring other people's places. I'm just going to walk around the neighborhood. I don't want to get in trouble with my neighbors. Run down the street. What's in here? Aww. Dang. I always get too scared of these kind of games, but I still play them for some reason. I'm that kind of person. I'm that kind of person that's too scared to do anything, but I still do it. Ooh, it's a, ooh. Yeah. Taking my shower. Oh. Is there any soap? I need soap to do a shower. Is there anything in here? Open up. Open. Oh, ooh, I can take a poop. Can I poop? There's already a poop in there. Shoot. Someone forgot to flush. The person before me forgot to flush. There's nothing in here. I'm small compared to these things. See, I'm like 5 years old. Yeah, I'm just gonna, well, if you want to watch me wimp at everything, like and subscribe because I'm a wimp. Okay, well, I'll see y'all later, I guess. Bye. Sorry, I don't know what to do.